Hello students, welcome to the third lecture of digestive system. Today we will study the small intestine, large intestine and associated organs of digestive system for 10th class biology. This lecture is very important for exams, so watch till the end. Starting with small intestine. First we will talk about the small intestine. Small intestine, as the name says, is small in diameter but very long in length. It has three parts. First is duodenum, second is jejunum, third is ileum. Duodenum is about 20 to 25 centimeter long. Jejunum is about 2.5 meters long and ileum is about 4 meters long. Okay students, so food digestion mainly occurs in the small intestine. Duodenum, first part of small intestine. So let's take a detailed look in duodenum. Different glands send their secretions into duodenum. Bile duct brings bile from gallbladder. Hepatic duct brings secretions from liver. Pancreatic duct brings pancreatic juice from pancreas. All these secretions enter into the duodenum and helps in the digestion of food. Okay, so next is the large intestine. Now we will study it. Large intestine is a tube that leads from small intestine to anus. It is about 1 to 1.5 meters long. It has larger diameter as compared to small intestine. Large intestine has three parts: colon, rectum and anus. First of all, we will study about colon. Okay, colon is the first part of large intestine. Colon is divided into different parts. First is caecum. Caecum is the first part of colon. Then ileum enters into caecum. Caecum has a pouch-like structure called appendix. Appendix is about 10 cm long. The remaining colon has four parts: ascending colon on the right side, transverse colon across the body, descending colon on the left side, and last, sigmoid colon connects colon to the rectum. Okay students, next part is rectum. Rectum is a straight chamber. It is about 8 inches long. Rectum connects large intestines to anus. Rectum temporarily stores feces. Okay, rectum temporarily stores feces. Last part of large intestine is anus. Anus is about 2 inches long canal. It is the last part of the digestive system. Very important. It is the last part of the digestive system. Anus has special muscles called sphincter muscles. These muscles control the passing of stool. So these sphincter muscles are present on the anus. Next, we will discuss the associated organs of the digestive tract, which includes teeth, tongue, salivary glands, liver, gallbladder and pancreas. So we will discuss these in detail one by one. Starting with teeth. First, we will study about teeth. Humans have 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So we will discuss them one by one. They are also mentioned in the figure. You can see that in the figure also. Incisors cut the food into small pieces. Okay, these are our lower teeth. Then canines, they are used to tear the food. They are our upper teeth but on the sides, on the right side. Then premolars, they are helped to chew and grind up food. They are present on the upper side but on the left part of the body or left part of the mouth. Then molars, which chew food and grind it, जिनको हम दाढ़ भी कहते हैं, दाढ़ें. These are called molars. Okay? So there are 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Now we will study tongue. Tongue is a muscular organ present in mouth. Tongue helps in digestion. Tongue moves food during chewing and swallowing. Tongue also helps in speaking and breathing. Okay? Speaking and breathing. Tongue contains taste buds that helps us to taste food. Very important. Next is salivary glands. Okay? Salivary glands produces saliva. Saliva helps in digestion of food. There are 3 major pairs of salivary glands. First is sublingual glands. Second is submandibular glands. Third is parotid glands. We can see 3 of them in the figure below. Number 1 is sublingual glands. These are present below the tongue, as you can see in the figure. Second is submandibular glands. These are present below the jaw. The saliva produced in these glands enter the mouth from under the tongue region. You can see in the figure. Submandibular glands are present behind the sublingual glands. Third one is the parotid glands. Parotid glands are present in front of ears. Saliva from these glands enter into the mouth from small ducts near the upper molar teeth regions. So you can see the parotid glands are present close to ear. So there are 3 types of glands that are present in our mouth. First one is sublingual gland below the tongue. Second one is submandibular gland behind the sublingual glands. And third one is parotid near our ear part. Okay, students? So saliva from these glands enter into the mouth and help in the process of digestion. So, in the next video, we will study liver, gallbladder and pancreas in detail. If you found this lecture helpful, like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. For PDF notes, comment down below. Thank you for watching.